My name's Amy from Vanlux, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2019 Ford Tourneo. This vehicle has an L2 long wheelbase. It has done just over 23,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can see that it comes with 8 seats. We can see that we have features on the touchscreen such as Apple CarPlay, valet mode, Bluetooth and navigation. We also have heated seats on either side. And all of our seats come with a black and cream leather contrast. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it has a parking camera with parking sensors. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.